Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class maths. Student, in previous video we completed exercise 1b. In this video we will start exercise 1c. Okay, let's start. Yes, exercise 1c. What problem? One is here. The number of tourists in India during the last 4 consecutive years was yes 80276457 and 72968325. Next number is 65831211 and the last number is 93752346. Respectively, find the total number of tourists in all the 4 years. So to find out the total number of tourists, we have to add all these numbers and we have to put all these number ones below the ones and tens below the tens, like this. Then we are getting the total number of tourists 3128283339. Second word problem is here. In an election contested by 3 candidates, the successful candidate got 624783 votes and the other 2 candidates secured 462385 and 387293 votes. The number of invalid votes was 6123 and the number of people who did not vote was 12389. Find the total number of voters registered. So to find out the total number of voter registered, we have to add all these numbers. Then the total number of voters 1492973. Yes, third is here. The number of books sold by bookstore in the year 2012 was 1657329. In the next year, the number of books sold increased by 782315. How many books were sold in the year 2013? Yes, this is the increased number. To find out the books sold in 2013, we have to add this increased number in books sold in 2012. On adding, we are getting books sold in 2013. These are 2439644. This is the number of books sold in 2013. And then he is saying how many books were sold during these 2 years. Yes, we know this is the number of books in 2012 and this is the number in 2013. Yes, that's why we will add both of this 2439644 and 1657329. Then we are getting 4096973. This is the total number of books sold during these 2 years. Yes, now come to the next question. Question number 4 is here. A cement company produced 2643597 bags of cement in the year 2012. Bags produced in year 2012 2643597. The number of bags produced increased by 127576 in the year 2013. To find out the total number of the bags produced in 2013, we have to add this increased number in 2012 and this we are getting bags produced in 2013. Next he is saying in the next year the number of bags produced was 276359, more than those produced in the preceding year. Yes, now this is the next number increased next year. How many bags were produced during these 3 years? Yes, to find out the after 2013, find out the number of bags produced in 2014, we have to add this increased number. Yes, then we are getting 3047,537. This is the bags produced number in 2014. Okay, now he is saying how many bags were produced during these 3 years. For this student, we will add all these numbers. This is number of bags produced in 2012, this is in 2013, and this is in 2014, and this is the total is 8462302. Now he is saying how many bags were produced collectively during the years 2012 and 2014. This is the number of bags in 2012 and this is in 2014. That's why we will add both of this, then we are getting the required answer. This is 5691,129. Now come to the next one. Student, question number 5 and 6 you will try yourself. Come to this question number 8. 7 also very easy. 5, 6, 7 you have to do yourself. Come to the 8. 8 is Aftab needed rupees 5632675 to buy a property. He had rupees 2888279 as saving. He borrowed rupees 1274631 from his friends and relatives. How much is he still short of? Student, we have what he need, this amount he need, and as his saving he has this number, this money, and he borrowed this. We will add both of this, saving and borrowed. Then we are getting total money that he is having. Yes, this is 4162910, means 41,62,910. This amount he has presently, but we have to find out short of. For this student, we will subtract this sum from the needed money. Then we are getting 14,61,765. This amount he still need. Okay, this is the required amount. 14,69,765. Come to the next word problem. This is 9. A man had rupees 11265278 with him. He have rupees 7532225. He give this amount to his wife, and he is saying this is the he gave to his wife this amount, and he gave to his daughter this amount, and the rest to his son. How much money did his son receive? So to find out this amount, we have to add both of this amount, which one he gave to his wife and to his daughter. On adding, we are getting this amount. Yes, it is 7,59,598. This amount we will subtract from the total money that he had. On subtraction, we are getting 52,05,680. This amount his son received. Okay. Now come to the next one. That is question number 10. A dairy had 725 liters of milk with it, and It sold 678 liter 250 milliliter of milk. How much milk was left with it? Then first of all we will make two column, one for the liter and second for the milliliter. Then a dairy had milk sold a dairy had milk that had in liter 725 liter, and he sold 678 liter and 250 milliliter. Yes, we will subtract this amount which one it sold. Then on subtraction we are getting 46 liters 750 milliliter. To make subtraction easy we will put here 100, because this milk given in liter, no amount is there in milliliter. To make this easy we will put here 0, then we will take 1 liter as borrow, then what become here 1000. Yes, if we will subtract this 250 from 1000, then we will get 750, and what is left here 724. Then we are getting after subtraction 46 liter 750 milliliter. This milk was left. Next word problem is here. A student 11 and 12 you have to do yourself. 13, the distance between the house of Aditya and his school is 1 kilometer 625 meter. Every day he walked both the ways. Find the total distance covered in 6 days. Yes, distance is 1 kilometer 625 meter, and distance for both ways, but distance this is from one side. To find out both the ways we have to multiply this by 2. Yes, we will multiply this by 2. 1 kilometer 625 25 meter multiplied by 2, then we are getting 3 kilometer 250 meter, and the distance covered in 6 days. To find out this we will multiply this 3 kilometer 250 meter by 6, then the required distance is here 19 kilometer 500 meter. Yes, come to this 15. In 15, a car covers 874 kilometer in 16 hours. Find the speed of the car. Distance is here 874 kilometer and the time 16 hours. We know speed is equal to distance upon time. On putting values we are getting, yes, this is the division. If we will divide this 874 by 16, then we are getting 54.625. This amount we will take in kilometer and the rest is after the point in meter. Yes, student, this is the division. Now student, come to the 16. A vessel has 5 liter and 250 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses each of 50 milliliter capacity can be filled? A vessel has curd 5 liter 250 milliliter and the capacity of one glass, this is 50 milliliter. Student, to make the calculation easy we have to make same unit. For this student we will convert this liter in milliliter. We know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. If we will convert this 5 liter into milliliter, then we will get 5000 milliliter. Yes, and 5 liter 250 milliliter, 5 liter is equal to 5000 milliliter, and we will add this 250 milliliter. Yes, we can add both same unit. Yes, first we will convert this liter into milliliter. Yes, this is in milliliter and this is also in milliliter. On adding we are getting 5250 milliliter. Now easily we can divide this. To find out the number of glasses we will divide this 5250 milliliter by 50 milliliter. Yes, in division, multiply, subtraction, addition we have to use same unit. Now both are in milliliter. On dividation we are getting 105. This is the required number of glasses. 18. 18 is a rope of length 15 meter is divided into 12 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each piece. Yes, we have information about the length of rope, that is 15 meter. Now the length of each piece, we will divide this length by 12, because we have to divide this into 12 pieces of equal length. Yes, this is the dividation. 1.25, 1 we will take as a meter, and after the 0.25 as a centimeter. 1 meter 25 centimeters, this is the length of each piece. Now question number 19 is here. A frame distributed 928 kilogram 125 gram of food grains among 225 people affected by flood. How much food grains did a person get? This is the total quantity of food grain, and the people are here 225. We have to divide this total quantity of food grains by 225. Then we will get the number of then we will get the quantity get by a person. Yes, student, as we know, we have to change different unit in one unit. We will change this gram into kilogram. Then we are getting, after changing, 928.125 kilogram, and we have to divide this by 2 to 5. Yes, this is the division. On dividing we are getting 4.125. 4 kilogram 125 gram. This is the quantity get by each person. Now student, come to the exercise 1D. Question number 1 is find the approximate value of each of the following. Yes, here I am taking third part. 24567 24576 correct to the nearest thousand. We have to find nearest thousand. To find out nearest thousand, we have to check the digit at hundreds place, that is 5, and we know 5 is equal to 5. 8 means we have to add 1 at 1000. If you will add here 1, then what you will get? 4 plus 1, 5. Then the answer is 25,000. Okay. Come to the fourth part. In 4, 1699999 correct to the nearest 10,000. For this 10,000, we have to check the digit at thousands place. That is 9. This 9. And 9 is greater than 5. That's why we have to add 1 at the place 10,000s. 9 plus 1, 10. 10, we will put here 0 and then carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. And the required number is 17 lakh. This is the required number. Now come to the question number 2. Student, first and second like this you will try yourself. Question number 2 is round of the following as instructed. In first part he is saying 3168,303 to the nearest lakh. For this lakh we have to check the digit at the place of 10,000, that is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. Then we have to add 1 at lakh place. Yes, here we have to add 1 in this one. Then 1 plus 1, 2, and the required number is 32 lakh. This is the required number. Second part is here 47235,839 to the nearest 10 lakh. 10 lakh, what we have to do? We have to check the digit at lakh place. That is 2, and 2 is less than 5. That's why no need to add Here for this we will take 0 at this lakh place. Now the number is 40 4 crore 70 lakh. This is the required number. In question number 3, approximate 68443675. Yes, this is the given number, and first part is here, correct to the nearest 10. Correct to the nearest 10 means we have to check digit at once. Yes, in this number 5 is here and 5 is equal to 5, that's why we will add 1 at tens. Yes, 7 is here, 7 plus 1 8. Yes, now the number is 68443680. Yes, we will write here 8 at this place. Next is correct to the nearest 100. For this we have to check the digit at 10 tens, that is 7. 7 is greater than 5, that's why we will add here add here 1 in the 6, then we will get 7. Now the required number is 68443700. Question number 3, third part of this question number 3, correct to the nearest 1000. For this 1000 we have to check digit at 100, that is 6, and 6 is greater than 5, that's why we have to add 1 in this next digit, that is 3. Yes, 3 plus 1 4, and the required number is 68444000. This is the required number. Now student, come to the question number 4. 4 is estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Yes, sum is given. First part is here 43 plus 28. First we will find the estimate to the nearest 10 of this 43. Nearest 10 means we have to check the digit at once. This is 3. 3 is less than 5, that's why the estimate value will be 40. And the estimate value to the nearest 10 of this 28, 8. We will check for this 10, 8. 8 is greater than 5, that's why we will add a 1 in this 2. Then the estimate value will be 30. Okay, 40 plus 30 equal to 70. Second part is here 13 plus 58. 13 estimate to the nearest 10. Yes, 3 is here at once, that's why we will add a 1 in this 1, then we will get, no need to add here anything, because here 3 is less than 5, that's why we will take this as 0, 1 and 0, this is equal to 10. 13 estimate to the nearest 10, this is 10. And 58 estimate to the nearest 10. 58 means 8 at the ones greater than 5, that's why we will add here 1 in this 5. 5 plus 1 6. This will be the estimate to the nearest 10. 10 plus 60 70 will be the required answer. Like this student, rest part try yourself of this question number 4. Now come to the question number 5. 5 is here estimate each sum to the nearest 100. First part is here 437 plus 322. First we will find the estimate value nearest 100. This is 400. For find out the estimate nearest 100, we have to check the digit at tens. This is 3. 3 is less than 5, that's why no need to add anything, and this is equal to 400. Now 322. Yes, we have to find out nearest 100. and for this we have to check the digit at tens. This is 2. 2 is less than 5, that's why no need to add anything. We will write here 0 and the value is 300. The number estimate to the nearest 100, 300. 400 plus 300 equal to 700. Second part, 180 plus 276. 180 estimate to the nearest 100, 200. And 276 nearest to the 100, 300. 200 plus 300, 500. In third, 789 plus 235. Nearest 100, 789 is 800 and nearest 100 of this 235 is 200. On adding we are getting 1000. Like this rest part, try yourself. Come to this question number 6. Estimate each sum to the nearest 1000. For this 1000 we have to check the digit at 100. Yes, two numbers are here. Here in first number, digit at 100, this is 4 and 4 is less than 5, that's why no need to add anything, and the number is 17,000. In second number at 100, this is 8. 8 is greater than 5. For this we will add here 1. In this next digit 2 and the number is 32,000. On adding both of this we are getting 49,000. Second part. In second part, 12,385. Nearest 1000, this is 12,000 and second this is 48,000. On adding we are getting here 60,000. Yes, rest part in homework. Question number 7. Estimate each difference to the nearest 10. Now difference. For this, yes, 96, this is approximately nearest to 100 and 27. For this 27 we will write 30. On subtraction we are getting 70. Second part, 64, estimate value is 60 and for this 28 estimate value is 30. On subtraction 30 we are getting. Third, 508, for this 508 we will write 510 and 237, 240. On subtraction we are getting 270. Yes, rest part. Question number 8 is here, estimate each difference to the nearest 100. Yes, first, for this first part, 579 minus 214. For this 579 we will write 600 and 214, 200. On subtraction we are getting 400. Yes. Second part, 858, we will write this, estimate value is 900 and 477, 500. Yes. On subtraction 400 we are getting. Yes, you have to do yourself. Third and fourth. Question number 9. Estimate each difference to the nearest 1000. First part is here, 46,765. To find the nearest 1000 we have to check the digit at 100. 7. 7 is greater than 5, then the value of this number will be 47,000 and 18,785. At 100, digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5, that's why we will add here 1. In this 8, then we are getting 19,000. On subtraction 28,000. Yes, second part is here, 76,964 and estimate value to the nearest 1000, 77,000 and 28,384. Estimate to the nearest 1000, 28,000 and the difference is 49,000. Third and fourth in homework. And next is here, 10. Estimate each of the following product. Yes. Two number we have 27 and 73. 27 to the nearest 10, this is 30, and 73 to the nearest 10, 70. On multiply we are getting 2100, 2100. Second part, 43 multiplied by 58, nearest nearest to the 10, 43 we can write this 40, and this 58 we can write 60. On multiply we are getting 2400. Like this, student, rest part try. Third is here, 68 multiplied by 471. Yes, 68 nearest 10, 70, and 471 nearest 100, 500. On multiply we are getting 35,000. Question number 11 is find the estimated quotient for each of the following. First is here 87 divided by 27. 87 nearest to the 10, 90, and 27 nearest to the 10, 30. On division we are getting 3. Second part is here 98 divided by 32. 98 estimate value is 100 and 32 estimate value is 30. And 100 divided by 30 we are getting 3.3 something, and this will be as a whole we can write this 3. Third, 74 divided by 34. 74 estimate value is 70, and for this 34 estimate value is 30. On dividing we are getting 2.3 something, and we can write this as in whole number 2. Yes, this is the correct answer. Yes, student, rest part of this question number 11 you have to try yourself, and up to the next video. Thank you.